So we've got question 66 now, a quartic equation to solve. So there's the question, and the first thing I'm going to do is to take the -8 over to the other side. So when I look at this equation now, it starts to look like a quadratic equation. Now I could use the factor theorem to find factors and then factorize and everything. That's one way to go about this. But when I look at this equation, I can actually try to see it as a hidden quadratic. So I'm going to treat it as a hidden quadratic in x squared. So I need to solve this by factorizing, and there are various different methods of doing this. I'm going to choose to do it manually. So that involves multiplying 3 by 8 and then trying to find factors of 24 which add up to -14, and that's fairly straightforward. It's -12 times -2. So I can split this -14x squared into -12x squared minus 2x squared, and then take each pair of terms and factorize a common factor out. Let me show you. So for these two terms, the common factor is 3x squared times x squared minus 4, and for these two terms we've got -2, and you see that by doing this method we've got x squared minus 4 as a factor of both of these terms, and then we've got 3x squared lots of x squared minus 4 and -2 lots of x squared minus 4. So that enables us to factorize the equation. So now I need to solve the equation, and what I get is those two values for x squared, and don't forget that when we square root we need to take the plus and the minus. So we've got 4 answers, 4 solutions or 4 roots of this equation. So how did you get on with that? Did you find all 4 roots? Did you use the same method as me? Anyway, well done.